facial radiance pad.
So I'm just wearing a little two-piece set today. It comes all the way down to the ankles. Yeah. Hey guys, my name is Kathleen. This week I'm going to be starting a new diet and exercise routine. And I'm kind of resetting everything all at once because I also start a new job tomorrow. So today is just going to be me cleaning, meal prepping, and working out. Last week I was watching this YouTuber. His name is Brandon Carter. He was talking about how to lose weight. He was talking about ways to get lean without losing muscle mass, and he gave 3 different programs that you could follow to achieve that. I'm going to start with his level 1 program, which is basically eating only meat and greens, and he did specifically say greens, but I'm going to allow myself to also eat carrots and tomatoes, but no starches, no potatoes. I'm also going to allow myself to eat my protein matcha in the morning and my sugar-free protein bar at night. So I'm gonna do that for 2 weeks, and then either I'll tweak it or I will attempt to do his level 2 program where you can eat carbs. But yeah, he also said that you should be aiming for 10K steps a day and do full body workouts in the gym. I suck at full body workouts. I always have. So I'm gonna add more compound exercises into my routine. Typically, I just do isolated exercises because I feel like my form is better when I do isolated exercises. But, you know, I'm gonna try to do more compound exercises because that helps you to see more progress faster. What else? So yeah, let me show you guys what I got from the grocery store. I'm gonna, do a prep. That way I don't have a moment where like I'm hungry and I am tempted to grab something, or I'm like tired and drained and like hurting because I'm hungry, being that I'm starting so much new stuff at a time. Also trying to be more consistent with YouTube. But let me show you guys what I got from the grocery store and tell you what I plan to eat this week. Okay, so this is everything that I got for the week. I kind of feel like some of this stuff is wrong. So starting with the protein, I got some steak, 2 steaks. I got ground turkey. So I got lamb chops. And I did get these chicken wings from Wegmans. I kind of feel a little guilty about these, but this is the easy level diet, right? So, and I'm just gonna eat this with like some carrots and celery. So it shouldn't be too 390 per serving calorie. Yeah, I don't know. I kind of feel a little guilty about that one. I already have some chicken made, right? So I'm not gonna cook all the meats. I'm gonna cook the lamb maybe like towards the end of the week. So I'm gonna put that in the freezer today because I haven't fixed lamb chops before, and I want to take my time when I do it. And being that I'm trying to get in bed early tonight, I don't think this is a good night to experiment with anything new. Let me show you guys the vegetables I got. So I got tomatoes, celery, carrots, and broccoli. I have broccoli, but it's in the fridge. I'm not gonna stop the video to go get it. Broccoli, I put all those on a pan, drizzle a little bit of olive oil over them, a little bit of garlic salt and pepper, and just pop them in the oven, and they let them kind of not toast up. The broccoli gets a little toasty, which I like. But so I already have some greens cooked. These are kale. These are collard greens. If I need to fix more greens later this week, I have this. It may seem like a lot of food, but I do live with my family, so I have to consider them as well. But I want to make sure that I have enough food so that I don't have a moment where I like am either starving or, you know, I'm tempted to reach for something that I'm not supposed to have. Being that I'm not eating those starches, I'm gonna need to eat a lot of meat and vegetable to, you know, make sure that I'm not hungry. I got this. I can just kind of, you know, grab this and eat it. And that's, did I tell you guys about my eggs? I got eggs. I need to deshell these, peel these, is that what it's called? I need to peel these and make deviled eggs. I haven't been able to I haven't liked eggs lately. I don't know what it is, but eggs have been kind of like grossing me out lately. Like they kind of taste like a fart lately. So the only way that I've been able to kind of stomach them is by making deviled eggs. So I've been doing that every week. So making like deviled eggs with the mayonnaise and with the mustard and a little bit of vinegar and some paprika and salt and pepper has helped me to be able to stomach the eggs in the morning. So yeah, that's my plan for the week. I don't think I missed anything. Yeah, and now we're gonna go to the gym. Yeah, I'm taking y'all with me, of course. So right now it's 3 o'clock, and typically I would like to be in the gym by now because I know everybody and their mama gonna be in there. But I'm just gonna let my phone charge. I probably will go around like, I don't wanna go at 5. I know everybody and their mama gonna be in there. So either I'm gonna go at like 4 at the earliest, or I'm gonna just go like later tonight after I cook. I don't know. We'll see. I just want to let my phone charge because I don't want it to die while I'm trying to record. But I'm just going to eat some chicken wings and carrots right now. I'm just going to eat this right quick and then just let my phone charge. And then I'm going to try to get to the gym or whatever. Yeah. Wish me luck.
Because I think that, first of all, let me y'all know, only reason itself. Like, follow me from that video, just know it's scared and it was not.
Yeah, let me show you guys my outfit. So I'm just wearing a little 2-piece set today. I got this from Ross. Actually, I got it from Dee Dee's Discount, which is like Ross's sister store. Yeah, like, look, it comes all the way down to the ankles. Yeah, just want to show you.
Let's pretend this isn't my life. Let's pretend it was a great night. Let's pretend that it was real nice. Let's pretend that it's a movie. Let's pretend that it's a story. Let's pretend that it was glorious. Cause that's where I do my best work. That's where I see my real worth. In fiction you just can't get hurt. In the imaginary world, yeah, that's where I do my best work. That's where I put myself first. In fiction you just can't get hurt. In the imaginary world, in the imaginary. Can you imagine for me? In the imaginary. Can you imagine for me? Let's pretend that it's a dream life. Let's pretend that it's a dream house. Let's pretend that it's all good vibes for once. Let's pretend that it's a safe place. Let's pretend that it's a safe haven while the outside world just keeps fading. Oh, cause that's where I do my best work. That's where I see my real worth. In fiction you just can't get hurt.
Okay, so I got there kind of late because I was waiting for my phone to charge, so I didn't want it to be dying while I was, while I was trying to film. So I only did one or like I kind of did 2 exercises, and then I did the Stairmaster for 15 minutes, which is not what I usually do. Usually I do 15 minutes on the Stairmaster, whatever workouts I'm gonna do, and then I do another 15 minutes on the treadmill, walking on the incline. But at least I got in there today, and I will say the good news is usually like I'll start off on level 1. I'll do level 1 for like 2 minutes. I'll do level 2 for 2 minutes, and I'll do level 3 for like 6 minutes, and then I do the rest at level 4. But I pretty much did the whole Stairmaster at 4, so that was like a cool little progress that I made. But I still have so much, to do, but I'm excited for this journey. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna eat for dinner. I'm just gonna eat the steak that I made and the greens that I made, and then I'll get in the shower and call it a night, because at this point it's 9 o'clock. I told myself I wanted to be in the shower by 9 and in the bed by 10, because where I work is far, so I want to make sure I'm there early tomorrow. But yeah, I'll pick back up at home, and then we'll end the night. Oh, also, I'm gonna put the YouTubers link down below in case anybody wants to do these challenges with me or whatever, because I feel like it'll be fun to like build a little community of people, who are keeping each other accountable. But yeah, it's still intact. That makes me really happy. Hair's not poofy. Shout out to my silk press routine. It should be a video on that. I don't know if I'm only gonna do a short or if I'm gonna do a short and a long form, but it's gonna be a video on silk press routine, because my silk press be lasting me through the gym. I'll be fine. Ain't no nothing. It's not poofy, like it's fine. Yeah. Dinner. Collard greens. I got collard greens and kale. That's collard greens. No, this. Let's go. Let me see what this steak talking about. What's up? So now I'm just gonna pack my lunch. Tomorrow I'm just gonna in the morning I think I'm just gonna grab 2 deviled eggs and like maybe a piece of chicken, and then for lunch I'm just gonna take the chicken wings and the carrots and the tomatoes and celery. I meant to cut up some broccoli, but I didn't get to do that, but that's fine, it's late. So I'm just gonna pack my lunch and then shower and go to sleep, because tomorrow is the big day. But I don't know if I'm just gonna end the vlog here, probably, because I feel like this was long, or if I'll like reconvene tomorrow. But either way, good night, you guys. Let's hit our goals. Today was a great day, and I'm so happy that I'm documenting this and that I'm posting on YouTube, because I've been wanting to do this for a long time, and I'm finally getting to it. Y'all have a good night.
Let's pretend this isn't my life. Let's pretend it was a great night.